She felt along the baseboards, flat palms. At the northeast corner, behind a built-in bookshelf, her fingers found it. A seam in the wall, just wide enough to slip a fingernail into. A hidden panel. She pulled. It creaked open with the reluctant groan of something that had not been touched in decades. Behind it, a narrow crawl space. Dust choked the air. The smell was old sweat and cedar. Olivia hesitated, then crawled in. She found 3 things. A small cloth bundle, bound with twine and stained dark at one end. A child's shoe, hand-sewn, too small even for Isaiah. And a page, yellowed and torn, with words written in looping black script. Let the house remember what the world is trying to erase. Let it hum with what they made us forget. Olivia sat there for a long time, legs folded under her, breath shaking. This wasn't just noise, it was memory. Buried. At breakfast, she laid the items on the kitchen table. Marcus recoiled. You brought that in here? Ania blinked. That's the foot I saw in my room. Everyone stopped. You saw it? Olivia asked slowly. He left. He walked out the closet. Just the foot. He didn't know where the rest of it was. Marcus stood. Okay, that's it. We need to get this house saged. Or exorcised. Or something. No, Olivia said. Not yet. What do you mean, not yet? Olivia thought. I think this house isn't haunted. I think it's remembering. That night, Olivia sat cross-legged in the study, cloth bundle in her lap. She didn't know why she whispered the old words aloud. Let the house remember what the world is trying to erase. But when she did, the hum changed. It deepened, harmonized, and for the first time, she understood. The house wasn't cursed. It was alive, and it had been waiting for someone who could hear her voice, for someone who wouldn't run, for someone who would listen.